Do I transfer crypto from Newton to wallet? Intro. Hey there, you've just invested in your first cryptocurrency on the Newton platform. You're excited about your new digital asset, but you're not sure how to move it to your personal wallet. That's where this video comes in. Hook. Have you ever felt like you were holding onto a treasure chest without the key? That's kind of how it feels when you have cryptocurrency on a platform and you want to take control of it. Building context. Let's break down why transferring crypto from Newton to your wallet is important. First, it gives you complete control over your funds. You're the only one with access to your private key, which is like the password to your digital vault. Second, transferring crypto can offer additional security. By moving your assets off of an exchange, you reduce the risk of hacking or other security breaches. Main content. Step 1. Choose a compatible wallet. The first step is to choose a wallet that's compatible with the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. There are many different types of wallets, including hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, while cold wallets are offline. For this example, let's say you're using a popular hot wallet called MetaMask. Step 2. Set up your wallet. Once you've chosen a wallet, you'll need to set it up. This usually involves creating a new account and storing your seed phrase securely. The seed phrase is a series of words that acts as a backup for your wallet. Be sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Step 3. Find your crypto address on Newton. Now that your wallet is set up, you'll need to find the address where you want to send your crypto. This is usually a long string of letters and numbers. On Newton, you can find your crypto address by going to your wallet page and clicking on the Send button. Step 4. Enter the address and amount. In the Send window, enter the address of your wallet and the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check the address before sending. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Once you've entered the address and amount, you'll need to confirm the transaction. Newton will ask you to enter your password or 2FA code to verify your identity. Step 6. Wait for confirmation. After you confirm the transaction, it will take a few minutes for it to be processed. The exact time depends on the network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, your crypto will be on its way to your wallet. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when transferring crypto from Newton to your wallet. Security first. Always prioritize security when transferring crypto. Never share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. Double-check addresses. Carefully verify the address before sending crypto. A small typo can result in a loss of funds. Network fees. Be aware of network fees, which are charged for processing transactions. The fees can vary depending on the network and the congestion. Conclusion. Transferring crypto from Newton to your wallet is a simple process that gives you more control over your assets. By following these steps and prioritizing security, you can safely move your crypto to your personal wallet. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, your crypto journey is just beginning. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency.